6 Amazing health benefits and uses of chia seeds. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are full of nutrients and antioxidants, known for many health and medicinal benefits. In fact, these seeds are the reservoir of nutrients and one of the healthiest foods with least calories. It is one of the wonderful seeds that are known for balanced development of body and mind. The plant that is Salvia hispanica, which produce chia seeds, belongs to mint family, Lamiaceae, native to South America, yet it is consumed all over the world. The seeds are full of fiber, as 1 tablespoon of it provides about 1/5 th of your daily fiber intake. 1. Chia seeds for weight loss. These seeds are having adequate amount of fiber, 40% by weight, and have the capacity to absorb about 10 times of their weight in water, thus slow down the absorption of foods. This fullness of the stomach leads to least longing of foods, which means lesser intake of calories. These are abundant in protein, which discourage eating of more foods and lessen the feeling of hunger. It also reduces the desire of taking more animal fats because of containing high percentage of protein. 2. Best uses of chia seeds. These seeds are used to prepare sherbet, a cold beverage. Chia seeds can be used as topping. It can be used to put into energy bars, yogurt, tortillas, bread and smoothies. It is used to make gel-like substance, which may be the substitute of eggs in cakes. In United States of America, it is used for decorative purpose such as chia pets. They act against inflammation. Because of its unique hydration features, favorite with the athletes, it is suggested that the seeds can reduce blood pressure. It can be used to prepare nutrition bars and baby foods. The omega-3 fatty acids in it help to improve cognitive performance. 3. Nutritional value of chia seeds. Chia seeds are whole grain diet and without gluten. These are full of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein and other macro as well as micronutrients. Chia seeds, 100 grams, are having the following nutrients. The nutritional facts are: carbohydrate, 42.12 grams, energy, 486 kilocalories, protein, 16.54 grams, fat, 30.74 grams, fiber, 34.4 grams, vitamin A, 54 grams, vitamin B1, 0.62 milligrams, B2, 0.17 milligrams, B3, 8.83 milligrams, B9, 49 micrograms, vitamin C, 1.6 milligrams, vitamin E, 0.5 milligrams, calcium, 631 milligrams, iron, 7.72 milligrams, manganese, 2.732 milligrams, magnesium, 335 milligrams, phosphorus, 860 milligrams, potassium, 407 milligrams, sodium, 16 milligrams, and zinc, 4.58 milligrams. Chia seeds are also full of antioxidants that prevent the formation of free radicals, thus combat many diseases and disorders including aging and cancer. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Source: USDA database entry. 4. Chia seeds for diabetes control. Studies have suggested that these seeds can control blood sugar because of delaying the process of sugar conversion from carbohydrate. 5. Chia seeds for heart disease. They have the abundance of omega-3 fatty acid, which is good for cardiac-related problems. Such seeds have more omega-3 acids than salmon. 6. Easy recipes of chia seeds. Some of the delicious chia seeds recipes are given below. Chia seeds food drink: chia rice salad, chia water, chia smoothie, chia cereal, chia fresco, chia pudding, chia vegetable fried chia pudding.